not going to like this, but if your TikTok ads is not making money in the UAE and Saudi Arabia, it's not because TikTok doesn't work. It's because you are setting it up wrong. And I know that because I burn money doing the same thing. I remember when I first started 30 dirhams a day, launching ads and waiting results just like you, but nothing. No sales, no data, just money going. And I was sitting there thinking, maybe TikTok ads doesn't work here. But the truth is, I didn't understand the system yet. Now, fast forward, I've generated over 300,000 using TikTok ads in the Saudi and the UAE market, and it is by far the best platform to start as a beginner. If you want to be able to build store and get results like this one, and also this one. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up the simple way, no complicated strategy. And if you want to be in the best Telegram community in the Middle East doing e-com, where me and my team, we drop free winning product weekly, the link is in the description. Let us get straight into it. The first step is you need a TikTok account. You can use your current TikTok account, but honestly, I recommend for you creating a new one for cleaner data and better testing. So you're going to use the link I put in the description for TikTok. Now you see that you are in TikTok for business, and you are simply going to create your account with your email. And then they're going to send you a code in your email. You're going to copy the code and you input it just here. Now we have to set up our business account. You are going to put a business name. You can put any business name that you want. I'm going to put House of Inc. Now for the industry, you're going to choose e-commerce. Current monthly ad spend, no need to put that. For the website, you're going to put a website letter. You put your phone number and then you click on get started. When you're going to click on get started, this is exactly what you're going to see. You're going to be taken into the TikTok ads manager. As you can see, this is only 2 of my ads that are online. We click on create. Now, this is where beginner messed up already. Choosing the wrong objective. You want to choose sales, not traffic, not reach. No, only sales. We click on sales. And we're going to click on switch back to previous version because this new version is a bit complicated for you. Now we're going to select manual campaign. And we click on continue. Now listen carefully, most beginners complicate this part. They try to target interest, behavior. Don't do all that. What we need to do is that we need to go broad on our ads. We are going to leave TikTok to do the work because your algorithm is smarter than what you think. So on the ad group, you can just put any name that you want. No problem for that. Now we have our catalog. We have optimization location. Optimization event. When you see optimization events in TikTok, this is simply the specific action TikTok is going to try to get you more when running the ads. It tells the algorithm of TikTok this is the main goal. Find people who are going to do this specific action. So it means that when you choose optimization event, TikTok studies user behavior and starts showing your ads to people most likely to complete that event. We need to think of it like teaching the algorithm what success look like. That is why we have view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, complete payment. And what we want is that the customer initiate checkout. Now on the placement, you are going to click on select placement. When you reach on placement, which is very important, and it's one of the errors that most beginners do, they do not deselect TikTok to advertise on their other platform, which is known as Pangle. Pangle is not very popular, so if they push your ads there, it's going to waste money and time. That is why we only want TikTok to advertise our ads on their TikTok platform. So we deselect Pangle. You do not want to allow people to comment on your ads. It can be a good aspect when someone is going to leave maybe a positive comment, but it's also many chances in which a random customer can leave a negative comment on your ads, and only one negative comment can kill the performance of your ads. So we are going to make the customer to not be able to comment. Okay, turn off. We do not want them to download our video. Now we scroll down. Like I told you, for the targeting, you do not want to target a specific audience. We are going to leave the algorithm of TikTok to do the work. Demographic, we see United Arab Emirates. Now for the age, when you're launching ads on TikTok, you don't want to overthink on the age. You can set the age from 18 to 55 plus. This covers the full buying audience of the GGC, and it's going to give TikTok enough room to find the best buyer. But also, if you're selling a product that is mostly used for other demographic of audience, you can set the age from 35 to 55. And for the gender, it's going to depend on which type of product you're selling. If for example, you are selling things like shoes, you can put both genders. But if you're selling product like makeup, you can only select female. Now for the language, we are not going to select anyone. Now for devices, if you want higher quality traffic, it is better for you to choose only iOS because people using iPhone normally have stronger buying power. They check out faster and they rarely run into payment issues. This doesn't mean that Android users don't buy, but if you want the most consistent conversion, iOS traffic is going to be cleaner. So for beginner, choose iOS and all the version and let TikTok optimize with higher quality buyers. Now for the budget, if you're only testing a product on your day one, it's going to be better for you to test with 50 dirhams so that you can know if your product is going to sell or not, because putting a lesser amount of money is not going to help TikTok to find the best buyer. And now for the date, since we are doing this video at 1 a.m., We're going to put next day at 10 a.m. We click on OK. Now we click on continue. Now listen, this is the part that is actually going to make you money, not the setup, not the targeting, but it's going to be your creatives. I will say if you are testing and you are putting 50 dirhams, you need at least 2 videos, different angle, different hooks, and different style. Because one video failing doesn't mean that the product is bad. It just means that it didn't hit. And I want you to understand that there's no bad product, there's only bad marketing. As you can see, there's identity. When you activate the identity, it means that TikTok is going to use your TikTok account to launch your ads and show it there. And when you remove the identity, we can create a new custom identity. The new custom identity is not going to be related to your TikTok account. So when a customer is going to click on your ads, it's going to be taken directly to your website and you won't be able to see your TikTok account. Right House Stuff Inc. And then we create. We scroll down. Now we can add a text to be able to convert a customer. Here you can write things like 50% off, Ramadan sales, New Year sales. It depends on you. So we are going to write 50% off. Now we can click on add videos. We're going to add our ads creative. We import our videos. For the website, we have to go back into our website, go into the product page, copy the URL of the product page. Do not copy the URL of the home page, but we need to copy the URL of the product page. This is where whenever a customer is going to click on your ads, it's going to be taken to. So we copy. And then we go back into our TikTok account and we paste our URL. For the call of action, it's going to depend on you. But from my experience, best call of action is going to be shop now. Where you have things like learn more, sign up, apply now, book now. Like I told you, shop now is going to be the best option. And when you have done all the steps, you go through everything again, you see if there is any error. Now you can click on publish all. They are going to ask for your bank details, where you are going to enter for TikTok to be able to get the amount from your bank account. And TikTok is also going to scan your ads to see if there is any issue. And if everything is fine, it's going to be approved in the next 30 to 1 hour. And your ads is going to be live. Now listen, this is important. Running ads is not about being perfect. It's about testing, adjusting, and improving. Most people quit after 2 days, and that is why they never win. And if you actually follow this step, looking for the small errors, looking for the small details, keep testing creatives, staying consistent, you are going to get results. Because TikTok right now is one of the easiest ways to make money online, but only if you do it right. And I'm speaking for experience because I tried Instagram, I tried Facebook, which are so expensive for a beginner. And if this helped you, you can just like the video, subscribe, and I'm going to keep breaking down for you step by step on how you can be successful while doing e-commerce and dropshipping in the Middle East. And do not forget to look up for the Telegram community down below. And remember, you're never going to be too young to start or too low to begin.